My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called BRUH, B-R-U-H. By the way, this ransomware is from the Chaos ransomware family. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Now, you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this BRUH ransomware, B-R-U-H, may be pretty easily injected into the computer. This ransomware is from the Chaos ransomware family. It is called like that, BRUH, because it encrypts files and appends this BRUH extension additionally to the file names. So then obviously it's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files, and in some cases it actually may add a random extension to the files, and it is titled as Attention BRUH. Now, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay $150 for file decryption, but we strongly urge you not to do that, because paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you ever pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, then it will be in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and certainly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data in the future. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate its features.